Hi, welcome to Sonny's, the car wash factory. I'm Reggie Flanagan, Vice President of the Controls Division. One question we tend to hear a lot here at Sonny's is a piece of equipment or a function didn't turn on. How do I troubleshoot it? Well, I first want to say, when a piece of equipment doesn't turn on, don't immediately go looking to solve a large problem. Most of the time it's something very simple, so start simple by heading to the tonal controller cabinet and checking to see if the relay is in the auto position. In most tonal controllers, you're going to have a manual and an auto position manually, or you can also look to the software side of it and see if it is in the auto position. You're going to want to watch as the vehicle goes through the tunnel to see if the output does in fact turn on. If it doesn't turn on, that's when you're going to want to go and put it into a manual position and enable it. You want to make sure the tunnel's clear, everything's safe to be able to turn on. And if the equipment doesn't turn on, the next step you're going to want to check is you're going to want to go into the software, and you're going to want to make sure that the software is configured properly for the equipment to actually turn on, it's enabled, and then from there you're going to want to start going into the more difficult areas where you check to see if maybe a fuse went bad. You're going to start checking MAC valves, power packs, any of that. But one thing you have to remember is when you're looking to troubleshoot a relay and a piece of equipment that's not turning on, start by checking the relay is functioning properly. Then move on to programming before you get into actual big troubleshooting of looking at wiring. There's no reason to put your electrician hat on when most problems that you're going to run into when a function is not turning on are your basic troubleshooting to just make sure that it's in the right position and make sure that your programming is proper. And there you have it. If you're looking to troubleshoot a relay, start simple by checking the relay is functioning properly. Move on to checking programming prior to putting on your electrician hat. Most issues can be resolved with simple routine troubleshooting. Thank you for watching. For more frequently asked car wash operation questions, visit us at sonnysdirect.com/FAQ.